जब मैं खाना खा रहा था तब वह आया। He came as I was eating food. He came as I was eating food. मेरी माँ ने मुझे बुलाया जब मैं खेल रहा था। My mother called me as I was playing. My mother called me as I was playing. क्या उसका दोस्त उसकी मदद करने वाला है? Is her friend about to help her? Is her friend about to help her? वे हमें आमंत्रित करने वाले हैं। They are about to invite us. They are about to invite us. क्या मैं आपकी मदद करने वाला नहीं हूं? Am I not about to help you? Am I not about to help you? मैं आपको जल्दी छोड़ने वाला नहीं हूं। I'm not about to leave you soon. I'm not about to leave you soon. ट्रेन स्टेशन से जाने वाली है। The train is about to leave the station. The train is about to leave the station. मैं ऑफिस जाने वाला हूं। I'm about to go to the office. I'm about to go to the office. मेरे पास पैसे के लिए आया था। He had come to me for money. He had come to me for money. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में ही सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते हैं। We can't depend on him for help. We can't depend on him for help. ऐसी पत्नी मिलना उसकी ख्वाहिश थी। Having such a wife was his will. Having such a wife was his will. मैं जल्द ही घर पहुंच रहा हूं। I'm reaching home soon. I'm reaching home soon. तुम होते कौन हो मुझे समझाने वाले? Who are you to judge me? Who are you to judge me? अब वह उससे बात नहीं करती है। She no longer talks to him. She no longer talks to him. अब वह यहां नहीं रहती है। She no longer lives here. She no longer lives here. पढ़ना है तो पढ़ो। If you want to read, then read. If you want to read, then read. जहां तक मुझे पता है वह एक अच्छा लड़का है। As far as I know, he is a good boy. As far as I know, he is a good boy. वह मन ही मन कुछ बोल रहा है। He is inwardly speaking something. He is inwardly speaking something. कोई आ रहा है। Someone is coming. Someone is coming. कोई उसे घूर रहा है। Someone is staring at her. Someone is staring at her. पूछकर बताता हूं। I will tell you after asking. I will tell you after asking. मेहनत करने की आदत डाल लो। Get into the habit of working hard. Get into the habit of working hard. सुबह जल्दी उठने की आदत डाल लो। Get into the habit of getting up early in the morning. Get into the habit of getting up early in the morning. यह काम करना आपको शोभा नहीं देता है। It doesn't befit you to do this work. It doesn't befit you to do this work. मुझे अपना घर बेचना पड़ सकता है। I may have to sell my house. I may have to sell my house. अपने मन की बात कहो। Speak your mind. Speak your mind. हताश मत हो। Don't be desperate. Don't be desperate. लोग ऐसे क्यों होते हैं? Why are people so? Why are people so? तुम बहुत बोलते हो। You speak a lot. You speak a lot. मेरे गाल मत खींचो। Don't pull my cheeks. Don't pull my cheeks. आज का दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? अब मेरी वाट लग गई। I'm in a big trouble now. I'm in a big trouble now. ये मेरी दूर के रिश्तेदार है। She is my distant relative. She is my distant relative. हो सके तो मुझे माफ कर देना। If possible, forgive me. If possible, forgive me. हो सके तो उसे सब कुछ बता देना। If possible, tell him everything. If possible, tell him everything. हो सके तो खाने के लिए कुछ ले आना। If possible, bring something to eat. If possible, bring something to eat. वह खाने का शौकीन है। He is fond of eating. He is fond of eating. क्या वहां कुछ चल रहा है? Is something going on there? Is something going on there? इस परेशानी से छुटकारा पाने का क्या कोई तरीका है? Is there a way to get out of this problem? Is there a way to get out of this problem? वो हमेशा की तरह मेरे पास आया। He came to me as usual. He came to me as usual. मेरा इरादा तुम्हें धोखा देने का नहीं है। I don't intend to cheat you. I don't intend to cheat you. उसका इरादा नौकरी छोड़ने का है। He intends to quit the job. He intends to quit the job. कौन कहता है तुम मोटी हो? Who says you are fat? Who says you are fat? कौन कहता है भगवान नहीं है? Who says that God doesn't exist? Who says that God doesn't exist? मानना पड़ेगा आपने कर दिखाया. I have to say you did it. I have to say you did it. मैं काम कर कर सो गया. I slept after completing the work. I slept after completing the work. शेर को देखकर वह भाग गया. Seeing a lion, he ran away. Seeing a lion, he ran away. आपके लिए इंग्लिश बोलना अच्छा होगा. You had better speak English. You had better speak English. तुम्हें स्कूल में होना चाहिए था. You should have been at school. You should have been at school. धीरे धीरे सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Gradually everything will be fine. Gradually everything will be fine. वो एक आध दिन में आएगा. He will come in a day or so. He will come in a day or so. मिशन पूरा हुआ. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. आज तपतपाती गर्मी है, तो इसको आप दो तरीके से बोल सकते हैं. It's blistering heat today. It's blistering heat today. और It's scorching heat today. It's scorching heat today. उन्हें पूछने का कोई फायदा नहीं. It's no use asking him. It's no use asking him. अगर कोई लड़का है तो him का यूज करना है, और अगर कोई लड़की है तो her का यूज करना है. अब बात को ज्यादा बढ़ाओ मत, या फिर अब बात को ज्यादा मत बढ़ाओ. इसे किसी भी तरह बोला जा सकता है, लेकिन इसका इंग्लिश सेंटेंस यही होगा. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. ज्यादा भाव मत खाओ. Don't act so pricey. Don't act so pricey. अब सोने का समय हो गया है. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. ज्यादा देर. क्या आज हम थोड़ी देर के लिए मिल सकते हैं? Can we meet for some time today? Can we meet for some time today? क्या मैं तुमसे थोड़ी देर बात कर सकता हूं? Can I talk to you sometime? Can I talk to you sometime? क्या तुम कुछ समय के लिए खाली हो? Are you free for some time? Are you free for some time? थोड़ी देर बाद आना. Come after some time. Come after some time. मुझे थोड़ा सा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. वह कुएं में झांक रहा था. He was looking into the well. He was looking into the well. खिड़की में मत झांको. Don't look into the window. Don't look into the window. पुलिस ने चोर को तलाशा. Police looked for the thief. Police. अभी भी टाइम है, पढ़ लो. There's still time, read it. There's still time, read it. अभी भी टाइम है, मान जाओ. There's still time, accept it. There's still time, accept it. पैसा एकदम पानी की तरह बह रहा है. I am losing my money, hand over fist. I am losing my money, hand over fist. सुधर जाओ, नहीं तो छोड़ूंगा नहीं. Mend your ways or else I won't spare you. Mend your ways or else I won't spare you. मेरी हंसी छूट गई. I couldn't hold laughing. I couldn't hold laughing. जोश में होश की जरूरत होती है. Enthusiasm needs concentration. Enthusiasm needs concentration. इंसानियत नाम की भी कोई चीज होती है. There is something called humanity too. There is something called humanity too. शक्ल पर मत जाओ, सीरत पर जाओ. Don't judge by face but virtues. Don't judge by face but virtues. मुझे गिरी हुई नजरों से मत देखो. Don't look down on me. Don't look down on me. वह गरीबों को गिरी हुई नजरों से देखता है. He looks down on the poor. He looks down on the poor. जरा ध्यान से, रोड पर आगे बहुत ट्रैफिक है. Look out, there's huge traffic ahead on the road. Look out, there's huge traffic ahead on the road. जरा ध्यान से, फर्श पर शीशा पड़ा हुआ है. Look out, there's glass on the floor. Look out, there's glass on the floor. मैं दूध को फ्रिज में रखूंगा. I'll carry the milk into the refrigerator. I'll carry the milk into the refrigerator. उसने सब्जी में मक्खन डाला. He carried butter into the veggie. He carried butter into the veggie. उसकी गालियों का मुझ पर असर हुआ. His abuse carried weight on me. His abuse carried weight on me. आपके शब्दों का छात्रों पर असर होगा. Your words will carry weight on students. Your words will carry weight on students. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है तुमसे मिलने का. I am not fond of meeting with you. I am not fond of meeting with you. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है देर से उठने का. I am not fond of getting up late. I am not fond of getting up late. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है तुमसे लड़ने का. I am not fond of fighting with you. I am not fond of fighting with you. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है मीठा खाने का. I am not fond of eating sweet. I am not fond of eating sweet. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है यहां आने का. I am not fond of coming here. I am not fond of coming here. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है तुमसे बात करने का. I am not fond of talking to you. I am not fond of talking to you. 12 बज गए हैं, तुम अभी तक सोए नहीं. It's 12 o'clock. You haven't sleep yet. It's 12 o'clock. You haven't sleep yet. अंधेरा हो रहा है, तुम अभी तक घर नहीं आए हो. It's getting dark. You haven't come home yet. It's getting dark. You haven't come home yet. 10 बज गए हैं, वह अभी तक नहीं आई. It's 10 o'clock. She hasn't come yet. It's 10 o'clock. She hasn't come yet. 8 बज गए हैं, स्कूल नहीं जाना क्या? It's 8 o'clock. Don't you want to go to school? It's 8 o'clock. Don't you want to go to school? सुबह हो गई है, तुम अभी तक सो रहे हो. It's morning. You are still sleeping. It's morning. You are still sleeping. रात हो गई है, तुम यहां क्या कर रहे हो? It's night. What are you doing here? It's night. What are you doing here? फिलहाल मैं खेल रहा हूं. As of now, I am playing. As of now, I am playing. फिलहाल मैं पढ़ रही हूं. As of now, I am studying. As of now, I am studying. फिलहाल मैं टीवी देख रही हूं. As of now, I am watching TV. As of now, I am watching TV. फिलहाल मैं खाना खा रही हूं. As of now, I am eating food. As of now, I am eating food. फिलहाल मैं स्कूल जा रही हूं. As of now, I am going to school. As of now, I am going to school. फिलहाल मैं खाना बना रही हूं. As अभी भी टाइम है, कुछ कर लो. There's still time, do something. There's still time, do something. अभी भी टाइम है, स्कूल चले जाओ. There's still time, go to school. There's still time, go to school. अभी भी टाइम है, वीडियो को लाइक कर दो. There's still time, please like this video. There's still time, please like this video. वह मन ही मन कुछ सोच रहा था. He was inwardly thinking something. He was inwardly thinking something. मैं मन ही मन उसे गाली दे रहा था. I was inwardly abusing him. I was inwardly abusing him. वह मन ही मन गुस्सा हो रहा था. He was inwardly getting angry. He was inwardly getting angry. वह मन ही मन कुछ बोल रहा है. He is inwardly speaking something. He is inwardly speaking something. वह मन ही मन मुस्कुरा रही हैं. He is inwardly smiling. He is inwardly smiling. मम्मी से कहो कि चाय बना दे. Ask mom to make the tea. Ask mom to make the tea. उससे कहो कि मुझसे बात ना करे. Ask him not to talk to me. Ask him not to talk to me. राम को कहो कि मुझे बार-बार कॉल ना करे. Ask Ram not to call me again and again. Ask Ram not to call me again and again. भाई को कहो कि मुझे परेशान ना करे. Ask brother not to disturb me. Ask brother not to disturb me. अपने दोस्तों से कहो कि मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करे. Ask your friends to subscribe my channel. Ask your friends to subscribe my channel. उन्होंने तो पानी तक नहीं पूछा. They did not even ask for water. They did not even ask for water. तुमने तो मुझे फोन तक नहीं किया. You did not even call me. You did not even call me. मैंने तो उसे देखा तक नहीं. I did not even see him. I did not even see him. उसने तो मुझे रिप्लाई तक नहीं किया. He did not even reply me. He did not even reply me. मैंने तो उससे बात तक नहीं की. I did not even talk to him. I did not even talk to him. उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं. He is not reliable. He is not reliable. तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable. You are not reliable. उस आदमी का कोई भरोसा नहीं. That man is not reliable. That man is not reliable. इस माल का कोई भरोसा नहीं. This product is not reliable. This product is not reliable. तुम्हारे दोस्त का कोई भरोसा नहीं. Your friend is not reliable. Your friend is not reliable. मेरा पेट दर्द हो रहा था. I had a stomach ache. I had a stomach ache. मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. आप थके हुए लगते हैं. You seem to be tried. You seem to be tried. वह रोने लगेगा. He will begin to weep. He will begin to weep. हंस लो जितना हंसना है. Laugh as much as you want. Laugh as much as you want. ये सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. I'm very glad to hear that. I'm very glad to hear that. तुम लोग जाओ और मजे करो. You guys go and have fun. You guys go and have fun. तुमने मेरी सारी मेहनत बेकार कर दी. You ruined all my hard work. You ruined all my hard work. बस मुझे बता देना. Just let me know. Just let me know. हो गई तुम्हारी बातें. Are you done talking? Are you done talking? किससे पूछकर तुम मेरा फोन चला रहे हो? By asking whom are you using my phone? By asking whom are you using my phone? किससे पूछकर तुमने उससे बात की? By asking whom did you talk to her? By asking whom did you talk to her? किससे पूछकर तुम वहां गए? By asking whom did you go there? By asking whom did you go there? किससे पूछकर तुमने स्मोकिंग की? By asking whom did you smoke? By asking whom did you smoke? किससे पूछकर तुम यहां आए? By asking whom did you come here? By asking whom did you come here? ये मुश्किल लगता है. It sounds hard. It sounds hard. ये आसान लगता है. It sounds easy. It sounds easy. ये अच्छा लगता है. It sounds good. It sounds good. ये अजीब लगता है. It sounds weird. It sounds weird. ये डरावना लगता है. It sounds scary. It sounds scary. पूछने में क्या जाता है? What goes to ask? What goes to ask? बात करने में क्या जाता है? What goes to talk? What goes to talk? देखने में क्या जाता है? What goes to see? What goes to see? हाँ, कहने में क्या जाता है? What goes to say yes? What goes to say yes? Try करने में क्या जाता है? What goes to try? What goes to try? शुक्र मनाओ वो जा रहे हैं. Be grateful that they are going. Be grateful that they are going. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं हुआ. Be grateful that nothing happened to us. Be grateful that nothing happened to us.